Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play multiplayer in Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft. So first things first, click on play on the home screen right over here. Once done, just go ahead and click on create new right over here. Just basic stuff right over here, create new world, and also that. Just go ahead and scroll down right here on the panel and click on multiplayer. And make sure multiplayer game is on and with your friends and also visible to LAN players for your people on your Wi-Fi currently in. Now just create role right over here. As you can see, it loaded up naturally and normally. Now once done, make sure this currently is your point of view of your friend right over here or another device that you are currently playing with. Basically, click on play right over here and click on friends, and you should be able to see your friend's LAN game right over here. Just go ahead and click on it and you should be able to locate the server and load on it. As you can see, we are both on the same server.